Hey guys, in today's video, as you've seen on the title, I will go through the settings and teach you guys how you can make your car have more grip, although keep that in mind, every car handles in a different way, so don't expect them all turn like a Formula 1 car like it's nothing. Well, I think most of you guys are old enough to drive, so you should know that whenever you do some sudden steering, the car will lose traction. So basically it's mostly about how good you can control the car in a way that it doesn't lose traction. Although we still can do a lot about it, which I will explain how in the middle of the video. Just wanted to let you guys know that if a car has a lot of grip, it doesn't mean it can't drift. Although we still can do a lot about it to gain way more grip. But keep that in mind, no matter how much a car is gripping, it still can lose traction or even drift. I am sure you guys must seen even F1 cars drifting. Anyway, stay tuned for the tutorial, and as always, if you enjoyed my content, a like and sub will be appreciated. Also, I should mention that for some stupid reason YouTube doesn't let me access my account through YouTube application on my phone, or even YouTube Studio, for about 4 days from now. Well, fortunately, somehow I still have access through desktops, and the problem is I'm not at home literally all the day, so sorry if I can't reply to the comments, but I will still be able to read them all from another account. So if you have any suggestions or requests, you can still comment down below. Hope you enjoy the video and drop a like if you found the upcoming tutorial helpful. Okay, the first thing is you have to have the traction control on, which you can turn it on and off from this button right here. When it's white it means it's on, and obviously when it's orange it says off under it. Well, the only sections that will affect the traction are mainly the body, suspension and wheels, and you need all of these on at least racing or higher up to ultimate. Then you have to go on the upgrade section, and the weight, downforces and air resistance will always look like that. Either they are on max or low. It will be the same no matter what cars, only the numbers will be different, although the weight distribution will be different in any case. You have to look at this little graph here, and it tells you if the weight is more in the front or the rear in percentage. In this case, you want it to always be more in the front, but the difference shouldn't be higher, about 10%. Also, for the center of mass, you need to keep it low, but I forgot in the video. For the spring stiffness, you should not have it more than 110. If it's a heavy car, you put that. If it was a small car like Miata, you put it around 70. And for the cambers, you want the tires look straight and avoid more than what I got in negative side, but try to get close to it. Also, you should not add any positive camber. And if you're a beginner, definitely do not use my Kerman angle, because you will end up spinning out in all of the corners. And you should add about 0 point for wheel toe in both front and rear. Well, the most important and also simplest one is the tires. The racing tires have more grip compared to the street ones, so if you didn't know, yes, there is more difference than just size. If you look here, there is a bunch of numbers and I promise you, they're not there to make the tune shop pretty. Well, one of them shows the tire size, which we want ours between 30 to 40 in this case. For the rims, the R is the size of it, and the 3-digit number is the width of the tire, which you also can see here, and it doesn't make it a better choice if it's ultimate. It's just bigger, that's all, and any human being can decide what size it looks better on the car. Well, now, whatever size that you got on, you want the width as high as possible. For this case, I used 345 for the rear and 285 for the front. Keep that in mind, the front is always a bit smaller. Also, the more that wheel offset is towards to outside is the more grip the car can get, but make sure it doesn't ruin your fitment. And for the tire pressure, I left it in the middle, but basically when it's at the lowest, it helps you to get more grip, and the higher it is makes you be able to get higher top speeds. Okay guys, that was all. I hope it's been helpful. Thanks for watching.